So before you watch this video, I just want to add a little disclaimer that I am in no way affiliated with any of the companies that I may mention in said video. These are products that I get for free and that I test, and then I give my honest review on them. So please keep watching, and if you have any questions, shoot them my way. Thanks. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a unboxing of the most latest Influenster box I've received, and I was selected for the Jane Iredale lipsticks. I did not know anything about these lipsticks previously. I think I have come across them in some beauty blogs I've read, just that they're very green. They're very eco-friendly. So I was really excited to get it, and it finally came in. So here's the box, very plain. It's got her name on the side. And then on the back it says, "Here's to a greener world." Very green, very friendly. So whenever you open it up, it's got this cute little sticker with an initial, and then it's got this little lavender, I think that's lavender, some sort of flower or something there, floral. It's really cute, and it's got the initial again right here on the tissue paper. I thought this was really nice packaging. I really enjoyed this packaging. I wonder if the company does this with all of their packaging. I'm sure they do. And here is my little tip sheet from Influenster I always get. It says, "Congratulations, you've been selected to try the Triple Luxe Long Lasting Naturally Moist Lipstick." What a mouthful. From Jane Iredale. I could be saying that wrong, so just bear with me. In the shades Natalie, Joanna, and Molly. There's 15 shades total. It's a creamy matte finish and a long-lasting wear. Clean ingredients include a unique blend of waxes and oils that softens, protects, and hydrates lips. Plus, Tahitian vanilla and blackberry offer subtle flavor and fragrance. One of my favorite lipsticks is the Dose of Colors Long Lasting, and they're kind of like a vanilla cupcakey smell. I like that. Some people don't, but I like it. And it's vegan and cruelty free. And of course it tells you on here how to log in your VoxBox and everything like that. So let's see what they look like. They're all in the packaging. So I'm just gonna do a couple of lip swatches on my arm just so we can see kind of what they look like. So first I'm gonna do Joanna. Next I'll be doing Natalie. And then the last one I'm gonna swatch is Molly. So as always, with the last couple of VoxBoxes that I've had, I did look up the cost, and these lipsticks retail for $35 each. So the total of this box would be $105 that I got for free. If you're not familiar with Influenster and you don't know what it is a company that sort of uses people like you and me to help brands research products and do product development and things like that. I've gotten a bunch of beauty products. I originally signed up to do it for beauty products. I've gotten a couple of other things along the way. And I'm finally getting to where I'm trying like the higher end makeup products. I know one of my last boxes retail value was over $200 and I got it for free. So stay tuned. As always, I'll link my stuff at the bottom, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.